Hi, I'm going to explore Canvas, and I really enjoyed using Canvas. They had a lot of different settings and personalization. Unfortunately, I feel like I couldn't get this much information when I did Blackboard. I don't know if I was just doing something wrong, or maybe it's meant that I'm supposed to use Canvas for this, and that's why. But I chose one of my favorite features, the notification at the notification knob. So you can see here, you can put your notifications in. At the top, you'll see notify me right away, send a daily summary, send weekly summary, and do not send me anything at all. And there's a key to each subdivision of the course activity. I liked that, and then it continues on through the discussions and conversations and the scheduling and the alerting and all that stuff. But one of my favorite things with Canvas was the calendar. I liked being able to, as an administrator of a course, have multiple sections of my course going through, or different sections of my course going through, and being able to color code my courses and put when there was going to be a project due, or when a certain evaluation was due. I love Google, and I love my Google Calendar, and this allowed me to have a little bit of that in the LMS. Also, Canvas allows for Google Documents, Google Slides, Google Forms, all Google apps to be used in Canvas, which I am never going to complain about. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my little video. I look forward to seeing all of yours. Thanks.